Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Google Drive not syncing. If you want to fix Google Drive not syncing, what you can do is you can check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. After you turn it on, you need to turn it off. After you turn it off, tap on your device settings. After you tap on your device settings, scroll down and tap on apps. After you tap on apps, you will see app management. Tap on app management and tap on search bar. After you tap on search bar, search for Google Drive, and after you search for Google Drive, tap on storage usage, and after you tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache. After you finish doing clear cache, what next you can do is update the Google Drive. Tap on your Google Play Store. After you tap on Google Play Store, search for Google Drive and update the app, and next you can do is reinstall. Press the Drive app, tap on uninstall. After you uninstall it, to install it one more time, tap on Play Store and install it. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.